If you know how to turn on your alpha waves, and you have a plant beside you which is linked up, it'll pick your alpha waves up. Maybe this thing isn't so stupid. Well, you say, how can it be? It has no civilization. It has no house. It has no automobiles. It has no pianos, no art galleries, no religion. But the potato would say, I don't need them. It's you poor, uncivilized human beings who have to have all this crap around you to tell you who you are and what it's all about. Now, how can you know anything about the world? I don't need to go running around, because my sensitivity extends all over the place. And I want to introduce you to a few things. There's my neighbor over here, who's a thistle. And have you ever seen how my thistle neighbor gets around? It has seeds. When the wind comes, these little tiny seeds have down sticking out all around them. And those seeds float off on the wind. And then my neighbor, the maple tree, has little helicopters it sends off, and they spin in the air, and they go up. And then I have a friend, the apple, and that has fruit that is so delicious that the birds like it. But this is only the beginning, the potato would go on to explain, of the extraordinary things that we do. We have vibrations going on inside our fibers that are quite as good as anything invented by your Bach and Mozart. We dig this. You may think we are not doing anything because we just sit here, but all the time we are vibrating, we are in ecstasy. We are humming to the great hum that's going on everywhere. So you see, they may be in such an advanced state of consciousness that all unknown to you, angels are growing in a flower pot at your door. They may have a great deal to do with the way you think, all unbeknownst to you.